Hello friends, today's stories are about Lord Krishna's disguise, Bhishma's vow, and Krishna's influences Arjun. As per Duryodhana's plan, it was a win-win situation for him. Either the Pandavas would be eliminated for good or his dearest friend Karna would take charge of the Kaurava army. No one knew about Bhishma's vow except Lord Krishna. He explained everything to Pandava's wife Draupadi and worked out a plan with her. Krishna disguised as a servant and went with Draupadi to Bhishma's tent. He had taught her exactly what to say and when. Draupadi went into the tent and Lord Krishna remained outside. Bhishma was meditating when Draupadi touched his feet and asked for a blessing. Without realizing it was Draupadi, Bhishma blessed Saubhagyavati Bhava. May you remain married throughout your life. When Bhishma opened his eyes, he was shocked. Why are you here at this late hour? Who brought you here? He asked Draupadi angrily. Poor Draupadi lied. I have come here with my servant. Immediately Bhishma guessed that was Lord Krishna's doing. Bhishma ran out of his tent to meet Lord Krishna. He asked the guard about a servant. The guard proudly said, I kicked him and did not let him come in. Bhishma thought, you fool. You have no idea whom you have kicked. Seeing Lord Krishna disguised as a servant, Bhishma went to him and touched his feet. The guard was surprised at this. After they were inside the tent, Bhishma asked, Lord Krishna, why did you do this? Lord Krishna said, your vow, none of the Pandavas will be alive by tomorrow evening, has forced me to do this. This was the only way to protect the Pandavas from the great warrior Bhishma. Bhishma was amazed at this. He thought how clearly he has avoided the biggest disaster on the Pandavas. Thus, Lord Krishna, who knew the power of Bhishma's vow, came up with the only possible way to save the Pandavas. During the Kurukshetra war, Arjun refused to take up arms against the Kauravas. Though he was a brave warrior, yet he was confused with a moral dilemma about fighting against his own family. Arjun expressed his hesitation about fighting against the people who had raised, nurtured, and taught him. He meant his grandfather Bhishma and his guru Drona. Lord Krishna said during his great war, there will be killing and immense losses on both sides. I understand your love and respect for Bhishma and Drona. They are noble men, but they have sided with Adharma by not protesting against injustice to you, Pandavas. In a war, there are no relations, but before the war, there were relations. But Bhishma and Drona did not exercise their seniority and authority against injustice. Lord Krishna was not just Arjun's charioteer, he used his power of words to influence Arjun, who felt dejected and depressed on the battlefield. Seeing despondent Arjun, Lord Krishna blessed him with the divine vision to enable him see the cosmic dimension Vishwa Virat Roop of the Lord. Lord Krishna said, Arjun, attachment to anyone is an obstruction in the path of spiritual progress. My own detachment with my parents, foster parents, brother, and soulmate is an example of the philosophy of life. So I am neither a friend nor an enemy of anyone. Lord Krishna encouraged Arjun to choose a cause over concern for the members of the family. He described the threefold path to moksha, karma, and bhakti. Lord Krishna convinced Arjun about the importance of karma and dharma. His philosophical sermons to Arjun became the great text of Bhagavad Gita. The ultimate secret of the Bhagavad Gita is devotion and surrender. The holy text also speaks of essential food habits for a healthy body, devotion, surrender, doing duties regardless of results. These were the keys to avoid grief and attachment. The blind king Dhritarashtra was eager to know the happenings of the Mahabharata war. Sanjay was Dhritarashtra's advisor and charioteer. The great sage Vyas had granted him the divine ability of seeing events from a distance. So he narrated the daily events of the war for Dhritarashtra. Sanjay was the first one who narrated the Bhagavad Gita other than Lord Krishna himself. The Bhagavad Gita is a discussion between Lord Krishna and Arjun. However, his discussion was repeated as a recital by Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra. One day, after describing the scene on the battlefield, Sanjaya told King Dhritarashtra, I know you are hoping that the Kauravas will be victorious since they are assisted by great warriors like Bhishma, Drona, and Karna. However, in my opinion, victory lies on the side where Lord Krishna is present. Victory was certain for the Pandavas because Lord Krishna was with them as Arjun's charioteer.